Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we'll take you through the most common reasons your chainsaw will be smoking and overheating. Problem number 1, lack of airflow. A dirty air filter will restrict how much air is reaching the engine and can cause the chainsaw to work harder than it should. Over time, it'll overheat. Check the air filter and either clean or replace it. Problem number 2, engine idle speed. If a significant amount of smoke is coming from the exhaust while the chainsaw is idling, you should try adjusting the idle speed, as it may be idling it too fast. Problem number 3, too much oil. It's possible you've added more oil than you should have into the fuel. Follow your owner's manual to be sure you're mixing in the proper ratios. Problem number 4, chain and guide bar. If you notice smoke coming from the bar and chain area, check the guide bar oil reservoir to make sure you have enough oil. If you don't, fill it with oil to make sure the chain and bar are getting the lubrication they need. If it does already have oil, make sure you can see oil exiting the reservoir to lubricate the chain. Lastly, check the tension of the chain on the bar to make sure it isn't too tight. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.